Tribe of the Mizo, a powerful and fierce group from the northeast of India, had long been in conflict with the African tribe led by King Uwuwefwewiosis. The tensions between the two tribes had escalated over the years, leading to a full-blown war that threatened to engulf both civilizations in bloodshed. The Mizo tribe, under the leadership of their king, Gashomakwanlal Sauma, prepared for battle. Their warriors were armed with axes, spears, and old-fashioned shotguns, ready to fight to the death to defend their land and honor. The African tribe, on the other hand, was skilled in the art of poison, using small poison darts and spears coated with deadly frog poison to defeat their enemies. As the two tribes marched towards each other, the American people and the Germans came to the aid of the Mizo tribe, providing them with weapons, armor, and strategic advice. On the other side, the Middle East, Arabia, Russia, and Japan threw their support behind the African tribe, eager to see them emerge victorious in the battle. The epic clash between the Mizo and African tribes was like nothing the world had ever seen before. The sound of shouting warriors, clashing weapons, and the cries of the wounded filled the air as the two sides fought with all their might. The Mizo people, with their strength and determination, pushed back the African tribe, refusing to let their land fall into the hands of their enemies. The battle raged on for days, with neither side willing to back down. The casualties on both sides were high, with many brave warriors falling in the heat of battle. But the Mizo tribe fought on, their spirits unbroken, their resolve unwavering. In a final, decisive moment, King Gashomakwanlal Sauma led a daring charge against the African tribe, his axe swinging with deadly precision. The African tribe, caught off guard by the ferocity of the Mizo attack, began to falter, their defenses crumbling under the relentless assault. As the dust settled and the smoke cleared, it became clear that the Mizo tribe had emerged victorious. The African tribe, defeated and broken, surrendered to King Gashomakwanlal Sauma, acknowledging his strength and bravery in battle. With the support of their allies, the Mizo tribe celebrated their hard-won victory, knowing that they had defended their land and their people against all odds. The war was over, and peace reigned once more in the land. And so, the tribe of the Mizo emerged triumphant, their strength and courage earning them a place in history as warriors who had fought valiantly for their freedom and their way of life. And King Gashomakwanlal Sauma, hailed as a hero by his people, led them into a new era of prosperity and peace. The war may have been brutal and bloody, but in the end, the Mizo tribe had emerged victorious, their happy ending secured through their bravery and unity in the face of adversity.